Hey guys and dolls, welcome to the makeup community. If you're new here, my vision is kind of a mix between a YouTube beauty channel and a social channel where everybody can just talk about makeup, give their tips and tricks, ask questions. So if you are a makeup pro, makeup maven, and you're willing to let people pick your brain, if you're new to makeup, that's perfect because we're kind of a back to basics channel here. If you just like makeup, want to talk about it with somebody, or if you want to watch a beauty channel because, you know, it's fun, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell if you want to know when I'm going to upload videos. Now I'm going to upload videos 2 to 3 times a week, but the discussion portions open daily. I say discussion area, but it's the comments area down below. We believe that makeup is for everybody, every gender, every skin tone, every income level, every ability, every disability, which is what sparks everything off. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. It is a genetic condition. It is called Parkinson's syndrome. And that's kind of what made me want to do this to begin with, is to show that don't let any kind of stumbling block in your way and you just keep doing your thing. And my thing is makeup. I love makeup. So I asked if I should do the Sephora haul, and everybody who answered said yes. So I did the haul with the Beauty Insider Appreciation event. Now it started on August 23rd and it goes until the 3rd. If you don't know what the Beauty Insider program is at Sephora, it's just like if you go to a grocery store, it's a loyalty card, and there are 3 different tiers to it depending on how much you spend during the calendar year, but it doesn't cost a thing to do it. So you're a Beauty Insider, then you go up to a VIB, and then you go up to Rouge. Now you can get points with every purchase, and they're about to change the point system. I'm not quite sure what they're going to do with that yet, but right now you can trade in those points for different products all the way up to, you know, VIP special, you know, makeup thing in New York City. The big things usually sell out really quickly, but they always change the, you know, little products for 100 points, like little travel sized items. You also get a birthday gift every year, and then twice a year they do sales, and it's off of everything. So in the spring it's usually up to 15%, in the fall it's usually up to 20%. So what they're doing right now is Beauty Insiders. All you have to do is sign up for it. Doesn't cost a thing, and you get 10% off your entire purchase until the 3rd of September. And then if you're a VIB, you get 15% off, and if you're a Rouge, you get 20% off. So you can see why I did a little haul here, because I want to save some money. So let's see what I got. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. That's what the outer carton looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. And these are absolutely beautiful. I love these. One thing that I absolutely love about this palette, I played with it with my eyes today, but you can make tons of looks. I did more of a neutral today, but you've got your neutral line, you've got your shimmers, and then you got a couple pops of color over here. So this one's kind of coming out a little green, but it's really pretty turquoise in person. I don't know why it's looking green on camera, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's one of those palettes that you can do a lot with. So loving that. And that's $42. So, you know, you take your 10, 15, or 20% off of that price. Then I got, this is actually a repurchase for me. I think it's a repurchase for me. And it's the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I just love this, especially in the winter. During the summer, I only use it at night because it can be a little thick. And then I'll use like a gel moisturizer on my face during the day. But in the winter, I need it day and night. Love this stuff. Like I said, it's like a repurchase, and this is $48, but you get 2 ounces in this puppy, so you get quite a bit in there for 2 ounces, and it lasts a very, very long time. So $48 sounds like a lot, but you get a lot out of it. Now this I wasn't going to buy until I got like 20% off of it because it was a little spendy, if I'm being honest. It's $49. But this is the Dior Backstage eyeshadow palette in Warm. They make two of them. This one's in Warm. They also make a Cool, which is gorgeous, and I think I might need it while it's on sale. I'm so bad. Well, anyway, there are 8 beautiful eyeshadow colors, and then this is actually an eyeshadow primer up in this corner. So can't wait to get this on my eyeballs. I've already stuck my fingers into it and did some swatches, and I am in love with it. It's kind of a, you know, drool thing. I also used this today. I just got, you know, you can never have enough makeup brushes, or I can never have enough makeup brushes, especially eye brushes. So this is the Sephora, let me see what it is officially called. Sephora Collection Crease Brush from the Beauty Magnet Brush Collection. And this is only $8 regular price. And I like Sephora brushes. So $8, take your 10, 15, 20% off of that. And you got yourself a really good deal for an eye brush. So I was happy with that one. Because, you know, like I said, I can never have enough brushes. What else do we have in here? Oh, this is the cutest little set. I am so glad I got this, and I am wearing this on my lips today. I got to get both pieces. It is the Marc Jacobs Reinvented Lip Duo. So you get your lip gloss here, and that is in the shade Allow Me, and then this little itty bitty lippy, and this is a really pretty kind of dusty rose shade, and that's Slow Burn, but it's $20, and you get both of these, you know, kind of travel trail size things. I really like the gloss, has quite a bit in it. The lipstick doesn't have a lot in it, but if you're like me and you switch lipsticks constantly, you know, it's going to last a while. Or because Marc Jacobs is kind of an expensive wine, you can go ahead and try it before you buy it. But this lip gloss, it's very pretty. I know I can't really do it justice, but just take my word for it. It's pretty. It's worth it. So I've been wanting to try a stick foundation for a while, and I didn't want to put the money down on an Hourglass one, even though I love Hourglass products. So I got the Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick, and it only comes in 16 colors, so that's a little disappointing, but they actually spread it out. They don't have a ton of light colors and very few of the deeper shades. They actually spread it out pretty nicely as far as light, medium, and deep. So I was pretty happy with that. It's $20. Now, when I say how much anything is, that's the reasonable price, and then you take your 10, 15, or 20% off of that. Another Sephora brand product that I purchased is this little lovely thing, is the Sephora Melting Lip Clicks. And it is a stick gloss. I love lip glosses, and with a stick it's even better. This shade is Caramel. So I don't know if you can see that right there. I don't want to click it up too much. There we go. I want to be able to get the cap back on because you can't unclick it. But all of their shades are really pretty, and it's more sheer, and I absolutely love it. And this puppy, where did I write that down? I have my cheat sheet. Yeah, my memory is not good enough to remember all this stuff. $14. So that's a good deal too, and you get quite a bit of product for $14. And the last things I ordered are 3 of my favorite mascaras. This is the Better Than Sex Waterproof, which is what I am wearing today. This is the new Hourglass Caution Extreme Mascara that they just came out with. And this is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And trust me, it does give you major volume. And the reason why I purchased those is to put into a little surprise mascara celebration set. When I hit 100 subscribers, I am going to give away a mascara of each of my favorite mascaras. I just totally went over that, and I should really edit that out and redo it. But you know what? This is real life, and that's me, and my brain is not working today. But I'm going to put together a mascara set with some drugstore, some high-end, my favorite mascaras to celebrate when we hit 100 subscribers. I'm seeing people with like 5 million and 4 million subscribers, and I'm like, ooh, I want to hit 100. You know what? Everybody has to start somewhere, and I'm happy with that. So that does it for my Sephora haul. And like I said, the sale ends September 3rd, and you can go to Sephora.com, or you can go to your Sephora store or JCPenney. Some JCPenney stores have small Sephoras in them. And sign up for, if you're a makeup lover, sign up for the Beauty Insider program. It's absolutely worth it. My birthday is in August, so I got a really super cute Glam Glow birthday gift from them this year. Love it, and that's about it. So I hope that everybody is having a wonderful, wonderful day. And like I said before, if you are a makeup pro, makeup maven, if you're new here to makeup, that's perfect because we're kind of back to basics. If you love makeup, you just want to talk about it, please subscribe. Spread the word, because we are just starting out and we want to build the makeup community here and make it a really fun and positive place to be. So I will talk to you guys down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.